Good morning, QSI Benin Lions. Today is Monday, March 30th. It is now the 5th day of online learning, and this day starts our virtual Spirit Week, with today being School Pride, School Spirit Day. And so I'm wearing my Benin Lions shirt today, as well as Mrs. Sedmak. Christian will be wearing it as well. And we'd like to have Mrs. Sedmak describe what the student government put together for this week for all of our students relative to a virtual Spirit Week.
Like Mr. Sedmak said today is School Pride Day, so make sure that you are wearing either your school t-shirt or school colors, blue, black, and white. Tomorrow is something to look forward to. It is Pajama Day, so instead of rolling out of bed and getting dressed, guess what? You get to stay in your pajamas all day long.
I'm sure none of you have done that yet.
Then on Wednesday, we're calling that Wacky Wednesday. Come up with something crazy to do, whether it be your hair or mismatching socks or inside-out clothing. You could be a warlock or a wizard, whatever you like. Make it wacky. And then on Thursday, this is going to be really fun. We're calling this Thursday Meme Day. Go through your house and find some objects that wouldn't normally be used to create a meme to make it come alive. Turn your toilet into a person. Turn that bookshelf into a giraffe. Be creative and see what you can come up with by creating a meme on Thursday. And then Friday is called Friday. We're asking you to snap a picture of your favorite meal. Cook in the kitchen together as a family and eat that meal together, and then send us a picture of your family photo. Like we said, it is Virtual Spirit Week. It's a way to build up excitement leading up to spring break and to be creative in our homes as we are homebound due to coronavirus. Hopefully you can send us the pictures of Virtual Spirit Week and your participation. You can do that either by emailing them to Mr. Sedmak, and we will create a Moodle album for everyone to see. Or you can go to the PSG Facebook page and upload your photos there. So please join in with us and participate in QSI Virtual School Spirit Week.
All right, QSI Benin Lions, have a great week.